How to vote in a nursing home facility. The nursing home has received its elections packet from the Hamilton County Board of Elections. Here's what's included. First is the information sheet, which you will complete. Next, find the list of registered voters at your facility. If the resident who wants to vote is on that list, great. That person is all set to vote. If not, they may need to re-register. Have the voter complete the registration forms seen here, focusing on all the highlighted portions, and don't forget a signature at the bottom of the form. How does the resident want to vote? They have 4 voting options. 1. Election day voting. You may take residents to the polls on election day, or a friend or family member may take the resident. 2. Early voting. You may bring voters to the Early Vote Center in Norwood. The early voting schedule is available on our website, votehamiltoncountyohio.gov. 3. Vote by mail. The resident may vote by mail by completing this application and sending it to the board. The board will mail the voter a ballot. They will fill it out on their own, place it in the return envelope included, add postage, and return it by mail to the board. The residents can also have a family member return the ballot to the board's 24-hour drop box in Norwood. 4. The voter may receive assistance from the board. If your resident feels they need help with voting, they will fill out this form. When the board receives your application for assistance, we schedule a time for a bipartisan team to bring ballots to voters. We read and/or help them mark the ballot and place it in the envelope. We then seal it securely and bring it back to the board for counting. Please note the bright orange sheet with pertinent dates and contact information for the board. Remember, if you have a resident not on the registered voter list who wants to vote absentee, that resident will need to complete 2 forms, the voter registration form and the absentee application, choosing by mail or with assistance. Preparing your voters for the board's arrival. 1. Have ID information handy. 2. Designate a room in the facility for voting to take place. 3. Inform the residents when and where voting will happen. And 4. Review the sample ballot for your facility's address. Visit our website to find the sample ballot for your residents, find election day polling locations, and other pertinent information. Remember that forms are due back to us by the date on the bright orange sheet. Thank you for helping your residents exercise their right to vote.